Hello viewers, let's learn three things. First, we will learn how to update an app or WhatsApp. The second one, we will earn disappearing messages in WhatsApp. And the third one, we will learn to keep messages, to save your photos, important number, etc. despite disappearing mood is on any of your contact. On screen please. Let's first update any app or WhatsApp. Go to settings, and in settings type and search apps. So after that you will see a lot of apps. Then choose app like WhatsApp and scroll down until you see app detail in store. Click on it, and now after clicking you will see update or open. So let's update it. You can also update the same by uninstalling and reinstalling. Click open, and now let's go and select any contact. Three dots, disappearing messages. Now disappearing messages is on. Now choose either 24 hours or more. Now let's go and open learn keep message. Open the contact and you see disappearing messages is on. So long click on the message and this type of symbol appears. So click on it and you will shortly see the same on the message. This also applies to photos, emojis or XYZ. So we can also select multiple message to keep. So through this way you can keep important numbers, messages or photos despite disappearing mood is on with the contact. Hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching.